Hello everyone. Um, Today I have a 2017 Ford Edge, and what's going on with this car is there's a message on the dashboard that said that the vehicle is overheating, and it puts the car in lamp mode, which means that the car does not go over 25 miles per hour basically, and that is due to the coolant temperature sensor. So today I want to show you how to replace your coolant temperature sensor on a 2017 Ford Edge. This is the 2.0 liter engine with a turbo. Now the first step is I already removed these two bolts. You remove these two bolts here, and then you disconnect your air filter box. Set that aside, and then you just pry up on this the lower part of your air filter box. Also set it aside, and then there's an 7 millimeter socket that you use to undo this. You also undo this part, and you can pull up on this so you can get it out of your way to have more room. Now this is located in a very weird spot. I'm not sure if my camera can see where it's at, but I'll try my best to show you. You have to move all these hoses out of the way, and your coolant temperature sensor will be located. I'm trying to see if I can get the camera. So one thing I did also to be able to see this coolant temperature sensor is this bracket has, I'm not sure, this bracket that I'm touching with my hand here has a 213 millimeter nut that you take out. Once you take those nuts out, it's gonna give you better access to the coolant temperature sensor. So that will be I'm just gonna use my my pick here to show you. So this will be the coolant temperature sensor. It's located at the back of this bolt here. I'm trying to get the camera closer, right there. So that's the coolant temperature sensor. Now in order to get it out, there is like it's like a retainer that's here that you have to use a pick like this to get out. So I will get that out, and I will show you what it looks like once it's out. Okay, I was able to remove the snap ring. So this is what it looked like. When you do this, make sure you don't lose this, because if this thing falls down somewhere in the engine bay, then good luck finding it. So I'm gonna give you a quick illustration of how this thing works. So this snap ring here goes into this part like that, and that's how it holds it up into the into your thermostat housing. So this is what it looks like inside, just to give you a quick illustration of what it looks like. Now I'm getting ready to remove the older coolant temperature sensor. So this is what the old one looks like, and here's the new one. This one is pretty beat up. You can see how coolant is coming through the connectors. That's most likely why it failed. Now if you want to do this, there's a part number here. I got this from AutoZone, and the part number is SU2301 coolant temperature sensor. So here's a hole where it goes. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit. So um, right here is the hose. It goes in there, and then through this groove is where you put those rings. So yeah, that's how you replace your coolant temperature sensor if you ever have that issue. This was a pretty simple repair. I'm sure you can do this by yourself at home if you know how to. Then if you don't, please seek a professional help, because you don't want to mess up anything that will result into additional repair for you. So if this video helps you out, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll try to make a video more often so I can help you guys out if you have an issue with your cars. Also, if you have any question, any concern about your car, if your car is acting funny, or whatever your question may be, please comment down below. Ask me any question. I'm open to respond to all your questions. Thank you for watching. On to the next.